Today we're gonna be doing a review for this K6 TWS. It's not an AirPod, but it's a cheaper brand, and we'll see if it works better than the AirPod. Looks just like the AirPod. Right now I'm going to show you guys how to sync this headphone to your laptop. So right now I'm opening it up. So what I figured out is by just leaving one inside here, it will automatically sync. So you put this one into your ear. So I'm going to put this one, this is the left one. See if it sync through here on my computer. See if it's scanning. So sometimes if you know to sync it, you're gonna have to pull it out. It say automatic pair each other after you hear beeps, which I just hear a beep when I pull it out, and then you put it back in here. And my computer is trying to search for it now. Looks like it's already synced. I'm gonna see how this feels in the ear, because it does shape differently than the AirPods. The earpiece shaped differently. So I'm putting it against my ear now. I can hear it speaking. So once you press it, it perfectly fits your ear. Let me see. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay. So this piece doesn't go all the way into your earlobe, it just stands outside. So this, they made it somehow that it just stands outside of the earlobe, not into the hole. So there we go. So it looks like that. So how you control this headphone is by touching the piece here. You touch it either one time for switch to answer phone calls, and then one time again to end phone call, and you hold it for 2 seconds to reject incoming calls, and then switch twice to wake it up. Switch twice. Okay, so it's kind of simple. And you listen to music, is you press either one of these once, and it just plays, and then press it again for pausing. Okay. So I just called a friend up, and actually the headphone sounds okay. It doesn't sound that bad. Even I had a hard time with picking up the call, because since the earpiece is censored, it's hard to tap. You have to tap once. Make sure you tap once. If you tap twice, it ends the call. Okay, so overall the headphone is actually it works really well. It's just that when you put it on your ear, you have to, if you get a call, it's the sensitivity on the sensor really sensitive, so you might have to, there might be an option you can adjust it, but I had a hard time picking up the phone call. But overall it works really well. I mean, for a $30 headphone, it's not bad. Rather than buying the AirPod, costs $100, including tax, I'd rather just buy this. As long as it works, I don't care. I don't care about name brand and stuff. That's about my video for today, and thanks for watching.